Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix an error has occurred. Please try it later. An error has occurred. Please try it later. YouTube error. So here's what you're gonna do. You wanna go to YouTube, click on three dots, go to settings, go to privacy and security, go to third-party cookies, click here, see all site data, and now here type YouTube, and now you wanna click on youtube.com, expand it, and you wanna delete it, the cookies. All the site data. After you're done that, you want to go back to your YouTube and then restart the page. Now, if that doesn't help and the video still doesn't work, what you can do next is click on three dots again, go to extensions, manage extensions, and here you want to disable the ad block or whatever else you downloaded, the latest, like the latest or the last extension you have installed. After you've done that and disabled them, you want to relaunch the YouTube and then open the video. And if it works, it's fine. If it doesn't work, what you can try is pressing Control and F5, and that will deeply reset the page, and then hopefully the video loads. And also what you can try as a last resort, if nothing else works, is you want to click here, click cookies and site data, click manage on device site data, and you want to delete all of these. Note that this will delete your login credentials or like the login session. You have to log into your YouTube account again, and that's about it. And after you log out and then restart like Chrome, start it again and try YouTube, and then like click on some video and see if it works, and hopefully it will work. That's it for this video. That's how you fix an error has occurred. Please try it later on YouTube. If this video helped you guys, like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.